This is the Bosch IWMH182 18-volt EC impact wrench. A perfect tool for electricians, plumbers, installers, concrete and masonry pros, and other tradesmen. It features a 1/2-inch pin detent socket drive with quick attach, which provides maximum socket retention with slope detent for fast, easy socket attachment. You can expect up to 2 times the motor life with the EC brushless motor. It guarantees superior efficiency for longer runtime and no maintenance. Control is at your fingertips without fatigue because its smallest grip diameter features best-in-class ergonomics. A powerful LED light provides maximum illumination of your work areas without shadows. Most importantly, this tool was engineered to deliver power while still being lightweight and compact. The Bosch built hammer and anvil system means it delivers maximum impact endurance and increases performance in most application environments. 250 Newton meters, 185 foot-pounds of torque provides consistent performance levels in both forward and reverse directions. So this is it, the Bosch IWMH182 18-volt EC impact wrench. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch 18-volt cordless power tools.